Put another dime in the jukebox, baby. I love rock and roll, so come and take the time and dance with me. I urgently need a rock band, and here's a drum set. I love rock and roll. I love rock and roll.
Oh my feta, Sammy! I thought it was an earthquake.
You stole my catchphrase.
And you stole my piece. Could you explain it all?
I am trying to master playing drums, but I guess it's not my cup of tea. I think I should look for inspiration in keyboards.
And of course you want me to make them for you.
Who else, Sue?
You're lucky that I always have a new craft in reserve.
Hooray! I'm a cowboy on a steel horse I ride.
Hi guys! When Sam's got new ideas, the whole house goes bananas. Today it's a musical craft. I'll make a small piano for Sam using an old xylophone.
And my favorite, cardboard. We have lots of it here.
Means you're ready to help me with cutting out the parts?
Sure, it's in my best interest.
You can make the keys for our future piano, and I'll start with the body. And the glue gun. Guys, remember, it's very hot. Be careful. Do you remember that a piano has black and white keys?
Yep, but I forgot why.
Each white key is a separate note. Do, re, mi, and so on. The sound difference between the white do and re is a whole step. That means re is one whole step higher than do.
By the mozzarella, I remember why we need the black ones. These are the half steps, a little higher than do, but a little lower than re.
That's right, Sammy. You're really good at music theory. I think you'll master our mini piano very quickly. Do you agree, guys? Give a thumbs up. For the round part of the piano, we'll use the flexible cardboard. To make it flexible, I slightly cut the upper layer. We'll put 2 layers of cardboard because the real piano body has to be solid so it can hold all the mechanism parts. Our parts will be held by wire hinges. Let's make them carefully using the pliers, like this. Snip, snip, snip. Here we go. And a couple more fastenings like this.
Sue, tell me, could we make a musical instrument from rubber bands?
Maybe, but you better bring them here. Guys, in the meantime, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell.
Rubber phone! Sue, I made it!
Sammy, I can't make any musical sound.
All right, we'll see how you'll make music with rubber bands.
I'll do it very well. Check out how nicely they all set here. Soon it's your turn, Sammy. Did you prepare the keys?
Oopsie, you distracted me talking.
Let's proceed with our craft while Sammy's busy with making the keys. Guys, do you remember when we spoke about black and white piano keys? I glued these cute shapes exactly for the black ones. True to say, they're only decorative. They won't make sounds, but shh, don't say a word to Sam.
About what?
Ooh, what do you mean?
Not a word to Sam.
Ugh, okay, I give up. You got me. I didn't want to tell you, but the black keys won't make any sounds.
That's it? You thought I would be upset? Sue, there's a whole bunch of white ones I can play.
Oh, I love your positive view of life, Sammy. Also, Sammy is a real cardboard pro. He got without any hints that the keys should be made out of several cardboard layers.
Of course, we've made lots of cardboard crafts with you.
At this stage, we need to be super accurate because we're gonna glue the xylophone parts onto the wooden base. See? Like this. Sammy, I heard something falling. What's wrong?
I just wanted to check something.
Would you like to share the results?
Sure, Susie.
Oh, where did you find these?
They were on the table. They look like real candies, but actually they're hard and heavy.
Yep, it's a challenge to gnaw on them. Wow, these strips remind me of colorful gum sticks.
I hope you're not gonna chew them. Don't repeat my mistakes.
Now the keys look a little crooked, but once we insert them into the rubber bands, everything will be perfect. And now I need these marbles. They'll be pounding on the xylophone.
Sue, does it work the same way with a real piano?
No, a real piano is a more complicated system, but the sound-making technology is almost the same. Small hammers pound on the strings inside and the sound comes out. There are other keyboards like an organ and a harpsichord.
And what's the difference?
Well, a harpsichord is a keyboard stringed instrument. The mechanism plucks the strings like a guitar. An organ is a keyboard brass. Instead of strings, it has a whole system of pipes. Some organ pipes can be as tall as a small cottage.
Wow! Let's make a cardboard organ, Sue. It'll be our most epic craft.
Then we'll need tons of cardboard, Sammy. I'm afraid it's nearly impossible.
Sue, impossible is a bad word. Don't say it when I'm around.
Okay. Guys, watch closely. Here's the big moment, the installation of the musical elements. Now let's make our piano look like a real one by adding some special elements, like the lid, which we can open and close.
Indeed. Our piano needs some fresh air, too.
Right. Like this. Sammy, did you already come up with the opening song for your concert?
I wanted to compose my own, but you're finishing, so I have no time.
Then choose one of the greatest hits. What about rock classics? Queen or AC/DC, or something more modern like Imagine Dragons?
No, Sue. You're finishing? I'll write a couple verses anyways.
Good luck, Sammy. I believe in you. Guys, let's summon the muse for our artist. Give a thumbs up. By the way, did you know that according to the myths, there are 9 muses, one for each kind of art? For example, Sam can make friends with Euterpe, the muse of poetry and lyrics. And our almost scientific craft will be favored by Urania, the muse of science. May I present the great maestro, Sam!
Sue, you messed up! I'm a rock star Sam. Follow my lead. This music is the best in the world. We're Slum Santa, my friend Sue. Let's rock!
A little clumsy, Sammy, but sounds quite cool.
I know. Guys, hurry up and subscribe to our channel.
Also, you can hit the bell with your mouse or finger, so you'll always be the first to watch our new videos. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye. Rock on.